Greetings, fellow seekers of financial freedom. Welcome back to our channel, the ultimate destination for uncovering groundbreaking strategies that will skyrocket your income. Today, prepare to have your mind blown as we unveil the untold, game-changing secret that has the power to transform your meager $0 investment into an astonishing $2,000 every single month. So, my money-making enthusiasts, buckle up, hit that thumbs up button, smash that subscribe icon, and let's dive deep into the world of mind-boggling AI image magic, the gateway to unlimited potential. Alright, my savvy wealth seekers, before we embark on this incredible journey, let's take a moment to grasp the sheer potential of AI image magic. Imagine harnessing the raw energy of artificial intelligence to craft visually mesmerizing images that are bound to captivate audiences around the globe. Now, here's the real kicker. You're about to discover how to do it all without spending a single penny. That's right. We're talking zero investment and a mind-blowing potential of $2,000 in your pocket every month. Intrigued? You should be. Navigating the AI image magic landscape. Now that you're on the edge of your seat, let's delve into the nitty-gritty with a comprehensive, step-by-step guide that will pave your way to success. Grab a notepad, because we're about to drop some golden nuggets. First things first, let's unravel the secret behind choosing the ultimate AI image generator. We've done the research, the trials, and the comparisons, and we're ready to unveil the tool that'll be your partner in this exhilarating journey. And guess what? It won't cost you a dime. With the tool in your grasp, it's time to ignite your creative sparks. Get ready for a hands-on walkthrough on crafting stunning, jaw-dropping images that will leave your audience begging for more. But wait, we're not just stopping at visually pleasing images. We're diving deep into the world of strategic thinking. Learn how to utilize these images as powerful assets that drive engagement, traffic, and ultimately, revenue straight into your bank account. Hold on tight, because we're about to reveal a treasure trove of monetization methods that will ensure you're not just making images, you're making money. From freelancing to online marketplaces, affiliate marketing to digital products, your earning potential is limitless. Tales of triumph. At this point, you might be wondering, does this really work? Well, don't take our word for it. We've gathered stories from everyday individuals who embarked on this journey and turned their financial lives around. These inspiring tales will show you that this isn't just a theory, it's a proven path to success. Taking action. Are you feeling the excitement, the possibilities that lie ahead? Fantastic! It's time to roll up your sleeves and take action. Get ready to immerse yourself in this transformative process, armed with newfound knowledge and unyielding determination. And there you have it, my fellow money-making enthusiasts. A comprehensive journey through the mesmerizing world of AI image magic, unlocking the potential to transform your financial reality from $0 to an astonishing $2,000 month after month. As we wrap up this enlightening chapter, I want you to remember that the key to success is action. Hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Your path to financial abundance has just begun. Make sure you're part of our thriving community and stay tuned for more groundbreaking insights. Remember, your dreams are now within reach. All it takes is your dedication and determination. Until next time, keep envisioning, keep creating, and keep achieving.